Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri-Luc. Today I would like to tell you about my brand new Sahara dehydrator from Brod Taylor. Last night I posted a video on Brod Taylor Sahara unfolding the dehydrator. Now I will explain to you how it works. Here we have the on-off button. Pressing it activates or stops the dehydrator. By activating it, the dehydrator goes into ventilation mode without heat. This mode is usually used to dehydrate aromatic herbs. The start pause button on the other hand allows you to start the dehydration and to pause the dehydrator. Pressing down this button for 2 seconds activates or deactivates the mute. The mode button allows you to switch from the timer to the temperature setting and vice versa. You can switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit by simultaneously pressing the start button and mode button for 2 seconds. The control wheel allows you to increase or decrease the dehydration time and temperature. Time settings range from 15 minutes to 99 hours, just over 4 days. The temperature range is 86 Fahrenheit to 165 Fahrenheit, or 30 Celsius to 74 Celsius. To program the dehydrator, I select the duration of the drying period with the control wheel, let's say 10 hours. I press the mode button. I select the temperature of drying period with the wheel, let's say 45 Celsius. I press the start pause button. The particularity of this dehydrator is that it allows to set a higher initial temperature for rapid drying at the start, then set a lower temperature afterwards to preserve the nutrient and the taste of the food. This mode of dehydration is suitable for foods that contain a lot of water, such as tomatoes and zucchinis. To use the double temperatures, double period mode, first, I select the duration of the initial drying period with the wheel, let's say 2 hours. I press the mode button. I select the temperature of the initial period, let's say 65 Celsius. I activate the dual temperature, dual period by holding down the mode button for 2 seconds. I press the mode button. I select the temperature of the second drying period, let's say 45 Celsius. I select the duration of the second drying period, let's say 8 hours. I press the start pause button to start the dehydration. Air circulation is optimized by a fan that balances a mix of fresh and recirculated air to improve food drying and energy efficiencies. The washable and reusable air filter ensures that dirt and contaminants are not drowned into the dehydrator, thus dried food are free from it. Its heating system is powerful enough to dehydrate a large amount of food at once. It's so powerful that it allows the dehydration of meats at high temperatures to ensure the safety of dehydrated meats. This was my presentation video of the function of my brand new Brod Taylor dehydrator. If you are interested in this dehydrator or any other Brod Taylor products, feel free to click on the logo of this company in the upper right corner of my YouTube channel. If you like this video, you can click the thumbs up. Looking forward to seeing you again for a new video.